Hydraulic fracturing, known as fracking, has raised millions in tax revenue and created thousands of jobs in the United States. Now some European governments, including the British, are hoping to catch up.
If Europe becomes uncompetitive on energy, it'll become uncompetitive on industry. Certainly our long-term plans are to prove that shale can be commercially, safely, sensibly extracted in the UK.
Fracking involves pumping highly pressurized liquid into shale rock beds to extract natural gas. Cuadrilla is one of the largest and best funded independent extractors in Europe. And in the UK, the company's invested around $200 million. So far, that's bought it just one productive drill site. And on the day we visited the well in a rural region of England called Lancashire, the drill head was turned off. The company's other UK test sites await planning approval or have closed entirely. In the boom towns of North Dakota, such slow progress would be unthinkable. But companies like Cuadrilla operate in more restrictive conditions.
And I've worked in the US and the UK. I would say the regulatory environment in the UK is much more stringent.
But across Europe, it's the inconsistency of regulations that's impacted shale gas investment. In the Ukraine, Royal Dutch Shell has signed a $10 billion exploration deal. But in neighbouring Poland, ExxonMobil recently stopped drilling. Spain just altered its laws to attract fracking firms, whereas France banned the technique entirely. Another challenge, public sentiment. Hundreds of protesters swarmed a Cuadrilla test site in the UK this summer, hoping to stop exploratory drilling. But senior British officials continue to ignore environmental concerns, says one fracking skeptic with years of industry experience.
I think the government is more pro-fracking than the frackers. They're ignorant of this industry, and yet they're hell-bent on ensuring it goes ahead full sway.
But even though top government officials in Britain are eager to reap the financial benefits from fracking, a great deal of red tape still stands in the way.
In fairness to the operators, the regulations that we've got that are still in place, that haven't been dismantled yet, are a little bit arbitrary and a little bit confusing for them.
All this confusion has prompted lawsuits, delayed shale production until 2018, wasted millions of dollars in capital and disrupted the industry's business model. It seems that in the UK you may need more than just a license to drill if you want to make a killing.